Maytag front-load dryers have two main lock types that serve important safety and operational purposes. The control lock prevents accidental button presses and settings changes. It's usually activated by pressing and holding the control lock button for 3 to 5 seconds. This button is often marked with a padlock icon on the dryer's control panel. The door lock secures the dryer door during operation to ensure safety and prevent access while the drum is tumbling. It engages automatically when the cycle starts and releases on its own when the cycle completes. Knowing the difference between the control lock and door lock is the first step to effective troubleshooting when issues arise. Section 2 covers quick fixes for initial troubleshooting steps. First, check the dryer's display for error codes such as CL for control lock or DL for door lock. Next, perform a power reset by unplugging the dryer for 1 to 2 minutes and plugging it back in. This often resolves temporary software glitches. Also, ensure the dryer is in standby mode before attempting to unlock. These initial troubleshooting steps can resolve many common lock issues. To disable the control lock, first make sure the dryer is in standby mode. This means the cycle has finished or the dryer is powered on but not running. Then, locate and press and hold the control lock button, which is usually labeled with a padlock icon, for 3 to 5 seconds. After holding the button, the CL indicator should disappear from the display, showing that the control lock has been successfully disabled. If the control lock doesn't unlock after these steps, refer to your dryer's user manual for model-specific instructions, as the exact button sequence might differ between Maytag models. If the door lock is stuck, first ensure the dryer has completely stopped and cooled down. This prevents burns and ensures safe access. Try pressing and holding the Start/Pause button while gently attempting to open the door. This manual override should release the lock. If the first method fails, try the Power Reset method. Unplug the dryer for 1 to 2 minutes to clear any electrical issues, then plug it back in. Important: avoid forcing the door open, as this could damage the locking mechanism and void your warranty. Some Maytag dryer models have specific reset sequences that go beyond basic troubleshooting. Always consult your dryer's user manual or the Maytag website for instructions tailored to your specific model. These resets often involve pressing a combination of buttons in a particular order. Online forums like Reddit's r/appliance repair can also provide user-reported solutions for your specific model. Remember to unplug the dryer before attempting any resets and consult a professional if you're unsure about the process. Many newer Maytag dryers released after 2020 are smart appliances. They work with the Maytag app or voice platforms like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Use the Maytag app to remotely unlock your dryer or view error messages. The app provides troubleshooting guides tailored to your specific model. These dryers also integrate with Amazon Alexa for voice-controlled unlocking, and they connect to Google Home for similar smart controls. Make sure your dryer is connected to your home Wi-Fi network to use these features. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the lock still persists, it's time to call a qualified appliance repair technician. A persistent lock issue could indicate a hardware failure, such as a faulty solenoid in the door lock mechanism. Attempting to repair hardware yourself can be dangerous and may void your warranty. Safety must always come first when troubleshooting your Maytag dryer. Before attempting any manual fixes or interventions, make sure to unplug the appliance to prevent electrical hazards and ensure your protection. Looking to the future, Maytag dryers are evolving with AI-enhanced diagnostics that can predict maintenance needs and app-based controls that allow remote unlocking and cycle management from your smartphone. As smart features become more advanced, remember that traditional physical safety mechanisms like control locks and door locks continue to play a crucial role in protecting users during operation. If you encounter any lock-related issues with your dryer, start by reviewing the troubleshooting steps in this video series. Always refer to your user manual for model-specific guidance before contacting a professional technician.